Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Luxury 1272, where we take you deep into the world of luxury and classic automobiles. Today, we have something truly special, an automotive legend reborn, the 2025 Willys CJ2A-Cascadia Classic. This modern reinterpretation of the iconic Willys CJ2A fuses vintage charm with contemporary craftsmanship, offering a seamless blend of heritage and innovation. Join us as we take an exclusive look at the exterior of this masterpiece and explore the details that make it a timeless icon. At first glance, the Willys CJ2A-Cascadia Classic stays true to its roots with a boxy, utilitarian silhouette that pays homage to the original 1945 Willys CJ2A. Every line, every curve is a deliberate nod to the past while integrating modern enhancements that make it a true collector's piece. The upright stance, flat fenders, and exposed rivets immediately transport you to a time when ruggedness and simplicity defined off-road engineering. The front end is unmistakably Willys, featuring the iconic 7-slot grille, reimagined with a blend of stainless steel and brushed aluminum, giving it a refined yet rugged appeal. Flanked by round LED headlights, the classic circular shape remains intact, but beneath the vintage glass lies cutting-edge illumination technology. These adaptive LED lights provide superior visibility while maintaining the nostalgic aesthetic that Willys enthusiasts adore. The hood retains its signature external latches, a defining trait of classic military-inspired off-roaders. Cascadia has taken it a step further by reinforcing the hood with lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum, making it more durable without compromising authenticity. The fenders are flared just enough to accommodate the oversized all-terrain tires, a subtle yet significant enhancement for both function and style. Moving along the side, the CJ2A-Cascadia Classic features exposed door hinges, another tribute to its vintage predecessors. Unlike modern SUVs with hidden hinges and seamless doors, this model embraces the raw, mechanical appeal of the past, giving it a handcrafted, workshop-built aesthetic. The removable doors themselves are sculpted from reinforced aluminum, making them light yet incredibly robust. The wheels are a sight to behold. Custom-designed 18-inch steel wheels with deep dish hubcaps reinforce the retro styling, wrapped in high-performance off-road rubber that blends rugged grip with highway refinement. The white lettering on the tires is a deliberate throwback to the golden era of adventure vehicles. At the rear, the CJ2A-Cascadia Classic continues its homage with a swing-out tailgate, complete with the traditional external mounted spare tire. Unlike modern SUVs with concealed spare compartments, this design embraces functionality, giving off a military-grade durability vibe. The stamped Willys branding on the tailgate is a nod to its wartime heritage, subtly reminding us of the lineage that shaped the modern off-roader. The taillights, though appearing vintage with their round shape and steel housing, incorporate modern LED technology for better visibility and longevity. It's a perfect fusion of old-world design and new-age reliability. Cascadia offers the CJ2A in a range of heritage-inspired color schemes, from the classic olive drab green to the refined desert sand and midnight black. Each paint finish is meticulously applied with a durable matte coating, ensuring both longevity and an authentic military aesthetic. The attention to detail is unmatched, with subtle pinstriping options for those who appreciate the finer touches of craftsmanship. Every detail of the 2025 Willys CJ2A-Cascadia Classic tells a story, from its rugged construction to the masterful execution of classic design elements. This vehicle is more than just a modern remake, it's a tribute to an era when vehicles were built with purpose. Its presence on the road, or off it, is unmistakable, commanding respect with every turn of the wheel. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the exterior of this magnificent machine. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Willys CJ2A-Cascadia Classic? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive content from Luxury 1272. Until next time, drive with passion, live with adventure.